Option contain various options. First, print drawing created in words. If this option is off, I create a drawing over here like this. I create a drawing, Control P, and this option is off. Okay. Here is no drawing. Drawing was in first page but is not printed because this option is off. We have to keep this option is on to print drawing. Now we can look here, drawing is printed. So if suppose we are creating a resume and in that resume we inbuild a picture, so we want to print that picture. For that we have to keep this option on. Next is print background colors and images. If this option is off, background colors will not printed. We will go to page layout and background color, but this color will not printed. Background color not printed. If you want to print background color, for this we'll go to here, print background colors. Okay. Now it will print background color like this. Next option is print document properties. As I told you, print hidden text. In case of hidden text, we have to some text first hidden. Select this text, right click, font, and say hidden. Okay, this text become hidden. Now if we simply print, hidden text will not print. We can look here, hidden text is not printed. But if we say print hidden text, in that case it will print hidden text also. We can look here, hidden text is printed. Next, if we say update fields before printing, for this we have to do something. First, remove this color. Suppose it is heading 1. We'll go to home, select heading 1. It is heading 2. And it is heading 3. These are the 3 headings. Now put cursor here, enter, and here from references we will create an index. So we can look here, it is heading 1, it is heading 2, it is heading 3. Suppose this heading 2 I select, go to home and set it as heading 1. So both these headings are equal now. It is also heading 1 and it also heading 1. But here heading 1 is this and its heading 2 is still now is heading 2, while I have converted to it toward the heading 1. So it should be equal to this. So if we say Control P and say this option, update fields before printing, in that case as soon as I will press OK, it will open this dialog box and will say update entire table before printing, so that both these heading index can become equal. We can look here. Okay, both index become equal because their heading level is same. So for that field is made for this. We can look here, this heading is also I set as heading 1. Now triple headings are equal, so there should be triple headings in a sequence, but I will close this option. Okay, we can look here, this table is printed as such and fields do not updated. But if this option is on, fields before printing will be updated with the help of this option. So this is the use of updation of fields before printing. So like this we can use this option also, update fields before printing. Next is page per sheet.